Alright, so in this video I'm going to demonstrate the heat map in Paradigm. Now when we open up the heat map tool, we can see that all of a sudden our viewport becomes very colorful. And so what the heat map tool has done is it's created a little cell for each hole, and it's assigned that cell a color. Now the color that it has assigned is based on whatever particular attribute we're asking the heat map to display. So in this case it's showing us the diameter. Now you can see that the red color here is of value, let's change that to millimeters, is of 251 millimeters, and the blue color is anything of 111 millimeters. So you can see we've only got two colors being displayed here. And so that means that we only have two different hole diameters in this particular pattern. Now if we change the attribute to map here, we can look at the length, and you can see when we do this it shows us different colors. So what we can see here is we have a different length, because the heat map is showing us length. We have a different length along this row. We have two different lengths along this row. We have two different lengths along this row, and then the rest are of whatever this red value is assigned. Okay, so these are the longest holes of 13.5 meters. And so the heat map allows us to get a broad visualization of different types of data about our pattern very quickly. So if we change to explosive weight, again we'll see a similar pattern to the length, because the explosive weight is obviously related tightly to the length of the hole. Now we can also look at something like initiation time. So this particular pattern has been timed electronically. So if we jump in here and turn on the hole firing times, you can see that we have the smallest hole firing times down this end of 508, so the blue values, and they go all the way up to the red values up here of somewhere around 3500. So let's just turn those firing times off again. So the heat map allows us to quickly visualize the different values for different holes across our pattern very quickly and very easily, and potentially spot patterns. Yeah, to quickly spot problematic patterns in our design. So here we have powder factor, and scale distance is actually, if we select a hole here, scale distance is actually an attribute that we've imported from a hole when we imported this design. It's not a built-in Paradigm attribute. Now the other thing we can do with the heat map is we can turn off interpolate colors. This helps us sort of see distinct bands in the heat map. And we can also, if we want, we can edit this heat map. So if you don't like the colors that it's got there, you can delete particular colors. If we want to simplify this, we can just say to change that to 3 colors. We can change the actual color displayed in any particular key. We can move that around, and you can see that just sort of updates sort of as we're dragging things around in the viewport right there. We can also change the ranges if for whatever reason the ranges that Paradigm has chosen are incorrect. This is the min value and the max value. So the heat map tool provides a very quick and powerful tool to visualize different information about our design quickly and easily. Thanks for watching.